Hello guys, how are you? We're in here in this very hot and sunny day. Whew, I'm sweating and my shirt is very wet. Anyways, we're here to check out the Premier Genista drum kit that I have on my back. This kit was produced in more or less 1998, 1999, and the first generation of Premier Genista came out around 1993, 1994. I think it was 1994 on the first Rebound catalog. Um, it was made out of 100% finished birch. They selected the best veneers they had on Premier Factory, and it's a very um, amazing and very great sounding kit that we have on the back. Um, they were made on 5.5 millimeter thickness shells and 7 plies, and that's for the toms and the snare. And for the bass drum, they use 7 millimeter 7 ply shells. Uh, a lot of people say that the best birch drums are the Yamaha recording customs, and also the Tamas, Star Classic Performers. They are also one of the very best kits in my opinion, but I really prefer the sound of the Genista over any other birch kit. There is the Premier DNA has a very special sound to me, and I have always loved Premiere since I ever started drumming. So let's give it a try. Let's see how it sounds. All right.